Hello, you're watching a Unit B Concept 4 video for Mrs. Cremines' Language Arts class. After watching this video, you should be able to identify and correct shifts in verb tenses. To avoid confusing readers, keep verb tenses as consistent as possible. Use verbs in the same tense to describe events that occur at the same time. Here we have an example of inconsistent verb tense. Thousands of new presidential dollar coins are flawed. They lacked one letter. Notice how are is present tense and lacked is past tense. Switching verb tense will confuse readers. Next, there is an example of consistent verb tenses. Thousands of new presidential dollar coins are flawed. They lack one letter. Are and lack are both present tense verbs. Sometimes, however, a shift of tense within a sentence or paragraph is necessary. Use different tenses to make the order of events clear. Example, the coins that were minted with the missing letter are valuable now, but their worth will increase in a few years. Shifts in verb tense are necessary because the coins were minted in the past, they have value in the present, and their worth will increase in the future. When you write about literary works, such as books or plays, use the present tense to describe the characters and their actions, even if they took place in the past. For example, this book is intriguing. The main character, Juanita, studies a coin and quickly sees a mirror. Even though those actions happened in the past, the present tense is used because it is a literary work. Now it's time to test your knowledge. Read the sentences and rewrite them in your SSS packet to correct the shifts in tense. For some of the sentences, there may be more than one way to correct the shift in tense. Just make the correction that sounds the best to you. One sentence will already have consistent verb tense. Write no change. Number 1. Everyone congratulated Keith and wishes him well. Number 2. The crowd applauds and yelled his name. Number 3. Carrie will call Keith today and visited him tomorrow. Because Keith has sung with the band for years, he will acquire a large following. Number 5. He plays the piano and writes the lyrics. Pause the video now and rewrite the 5 sentences. Once you are finished, resume the video and check your answers. Practice example number 1. Everyone congratulated Keith and wished him well. Or, everyone congratulates Keith and wishes him well. Practice example number 2. The crowd applauds and yells his name. Or, the crowd applauded and yelled his name. Practice example number 3. Carrie will call Keith today and will visit him tomorrow. Number 4. Because Keith has sung with the band for years, he has acquired a large following. Or number 4 also could be, because Keith will sing with the band for years, he will acquire a large following. And number 5, there should be no change because the verbs were already consistent in that example. Hopefully you did well on these practice example problems. If you did, take the Unit B Concept 4 Mastery Quiz on Edmodo if you have internet access. Make sure you complete the summary and question section of your WISC on lined notebook paper and place it in the correct location in your Language Arts binder. Come to class prepared to discuss the concept and objective with your classmates.